Okay, now that we have accessed Google Classroom for the first time, now we can create our first class. So at the top right corner of your page, you'll see some wording that says create or join your first class, pointing to this plus button. So to create your first class, you simply click this plus button. You'll have two options to either join class or create class. Of course, in this case, you want to create a class, and then you can give your class a name. Depending upon how you want to set up your classroom, you would either set it up by a subject area um, or a grade level, or if you teach in uh, elementary grades, primary grades, you may just decide to name it Mrs. or Mr.'s first grade class. So I'll just call this one Mr. Paul's first grade class. You can choose to add a section, a subject, and a room number if you like. You do not have to. You can just give it a name. That's the only thing that is required, and then click create. And you've now created your first Google Classroom.